My name is Beth Bugdaycay. I'm creative director and co-founder of Foundrae, a fine jewelry collection. The first piece of jewelry that I ever received was from a beloved neighbor of mine. Her name was Simone Frias, and she bought me a gold pinky ring when I was Alice from Alice in Wonderland in a play. I love both vintage and new jewelry, and I love it combined because everything for me is about the meaning of the piece. I was in 7th grade. I had a group of antique stores within walking distance from my house, and I ended up finding 4 thin bands that stacked on top of each other that were Victorian from the 1800s. They were acrostic, which means that gemstones spell out a word, and it was 4 stacks, and I decided to give them to my 4 dearest friends. Each one of us wore one of them, and then when we were together, they spelled dear. I would say that I don't have a favorite, actually. That's so funny because I think it's pretty obvious that I love gold, and I like yellow gold. I'd say when people look at me, they think minimalist. No, I'm just kidding. No, I'm thinking it's very obvious that I like stacking. I just made a 4-heart clover that's custom, and I want to wear it on my wrist. And I know people would think, you know, it's your jewelry and you can have anything you want, but it's not the truth because it still costs money to make. So my next piece is definitely going to be the 4-heart clover, which I just love it.